Good afternoon. Well, it is in this part of Central Texas in the USA. Wherever you're at, I hope you're having a good one. This is Robert Davis back with you. After a long hiatus, we've been renovating our condominium to sell it and move close to family. So that's what's been taking up my time. So, what I want to do today is introduce you to simple date calculations in Delphi. And what we're going to do is do a little example here. So let's go over here to Delphi, and we have it's a project called Calculate Age. We have a main form, uh, edit, a panel, and a button. And then we have code behind that will do the work for us. So to see what we're doing here, we'll just go ahead and run this project. And no errors. So I'm going to put my birthday in and see how old I am as of right now. And calculate age, 68.0. I just had a birthday. Try another one. Calculate age. That's my wife's age. So let's go ahead and close this down. Let's look at the code behind. It's fairly simple stuff. I wanted to kind of work my way back into this. And we'll go to the code behind right here. And you see the button is where it gets the action. And we declare a var double to hold the calculated age. There it is, dage double. And so now we say dage equals now minus string to date edit one text divided by, and this is important that you get this decimal right, 365.24, and that makes up for leap years. And also what happens down here, we put the age as a formatted float, and it's a number with 6 characters and 1 decimal point. And the 1 decimal point is so that you can very quickly tell, are they close to a birthday, or is it halfway through the year, or approximately when in the year is their next birthday coming up. And that will tell you that with that 1 decimal point. So obviously too, the dh has to be greater than 0 or it can't be calculated. So this implies that the date entered must be today's date or before, nothing after today's date. So here we go. If dh right here is less than 0, then panel caption, I'm sorry, if dh is greater than 0, panel caption age equals float to string float dh and a formatted float number 6 and 1. Else show the message age cannot be calculated, it must be valid, date greater than 0. This means it must be today's date or earlier. And that's all there is to it. Now, I thought of a few variations on this theme that you can do instead of, for instance, go to design, instead of just this calculate age, what you could do is put another t-edit in and capture the date you want to subtract from, not just now, but the date you want to subtract from. So that could be a variable date, just so long as the date math is properly ordered. So this is a simple way to calculate age or other dates, ages between dates. And you can break this down even farther into days, minutes, hours, whatever. But this is the kicker here, the calculate age button, where the work gets done. And this format float number is important that you get this right. So the age is formatted properly, or the date is formatted properly, I'm sorry. And that's all there is to that. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up here. It's good to be with you again. And we've got everything ready in the house, so we hope it sells soon. We're praying for that. And I hope things are going well for you, and that this maybe lends a little light on the date math. So I will see you here next time. Thanks so much for being with me. This is Robert Davis again. Bye.